Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise given x plus y is equal 5 divided by 2 and x squared plus y squared equals 13 divided by 4. Find the values of x power 5 plus y power 5. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. What you do is already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, to find the value of this fraction, now this we have this and this. We know that x squared plus y squared multiply x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal this. We multiply in, we get this x power 5 and this we get plus x squared y power 3 plus this we get x power 3 y squared and plus this we get is equal y power 5. Okay, now this we see this. Okay, x power 5 plus y power 5, so it's equal this. I can write x power 5 plus y power 5 and this we get is x squared plus y squared and multiply x power 3 plus y power 3 and minus this term that we change it to the left hand side. We get is minus x squared y cube plus x cube y squared. Okay, now this we replace by 13 divided by 4. So now I replace by 13 divided by 4 and multiply this. We use the formulas that we know that a cubed plus b cubed, that we know this equation that a cube plus b cube equals a plus b and multiply a squared minus ab and plus b squared. So now this we get 8 plus y and multiply x squared minus 8y and plus y squared. And minus this, we see this x squared, y power 3 and this x power 3 and y squared. So now I factor this, that I take x squared y squared out. We get x squared y squared and multiply this x plus y equal this x power 5 and plus y power 5. Okay, now this we replace by 5 divided by 2. We know x plus y equal 5 divided by 2. And this, we see this x squared plus y squared. Okay, x squared plus y squared we replace by 13 divided by 4. Okay, now we get the equation is 13 divided by 4 and multiply this 5 divided by 2 and multiply this, we get 13 divided by 4 and minus xy and minus this we get xy all squared and this we replace by 5 divided by 2 and equal this x power 5 and plus y power 5. Okay, now this I multiply this, we get is equal 65 divided by 8 and multiply this 13 divided by 4 and minus 8y and minus 8y all squares and multiply 5 divided by 2 is equal x power 5 and plus y power 5. Okay, to find the value of this expression, we must find the values of y. Okay, now this from this equation. Okay, now from x plus y is equal 5 divided by 2. And now this, I will raise both sides of this equation to squares. Okay, now is we get is this is modify the a plus b all squares is equal a squares plus 2ab plus b squared. So this we get x squares and plus 2hy and plus this y squares equal this y squared equal 25 and divided by 2 squares is equal 4. And now this 8 and this y squares we replace by 13 divided by 4 and is equal 13 divided by 4 is plus 2hy equal 25 divided by 4. And now this is minus both sides of this equation with minus 13 divided by 4 and this minus 13 divided by 4. So is equal this equation that this we simplify this and this we get 2hy equal this we get this 25 minus 13 divided by 4 and equal that we get 12 divided by 4 and equal 3. So now this we divide both sides of this equation with 2 and divide with 2. So if we simplify this, we get it's y equal 3 divided by 2. Okay, now we get the values of y. So we take it to replace in this equation. So we get our equation that is 65 divided by 8 and multiply this 13 divided by 4 and minus this 3 divided by 2 and minus this 3 divided by 2 all squares and multiply 5 divided by 2 it equal 8 power 5 and plus y power 5. Okay, now we find this that this denominator is 4 and this 2. So now this I multiply 2 and this multiply 2. So we get this 35 divided by 8 and multiply the 13 minus this 3 multiply 2 we get 6 and divide by 4 and minus this we get 3 square equal 9 divided by 2 squares equal 4 and multiply 5 divided by 2 is equal 8 power 5 plus y power 5. Okay, now this we get is 65 divided by 8 and multiply this 7 and divide by 4 and minus this we get 45 and divide by 8 equal 8 power 5 and plus y power 5. And now this we get this equal the 455 and divide by 32 and minus this we want to get 32 we multiply this with 4 and this we multiply with 4. So it's equal this 32 and this we get this 180 equal x power 5 x plus y power 5. And so now this we get 8 power 5 and plus y power 5 is equal this 455 minus 180. So we get is equal 275 and divide by 32. Now thus we get the values of x power 5 and plus y power 5 is equal 275 and divide by 32 is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.